Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to put music as ringtone on Android. So this is going to depend on what kind of Android phone you're using. So there are different OS, but generally here's how you're going to get this done. So I'm going to open the settings first, and here in the settings, I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down until I see sounds and vibrations. I'm going to click this. Now I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and you should see an option here for phone ringtone. Just go ahead and click that one. And yep, there are presets down here below, but if you don't want any of those, you can just go over here and open music on device. So again, you are going to see the exact same thing here on the top, but if you are going to scroll down even further, you will be able to see here all of the musics that you have on your phone. So you can go ahead and select any one of these. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and click this one right here. There you go. And as you can see, it says here that my ringtone is this one right now. So yep, no need for you to save it. It automatically saves it for you. And again, depending on the Android phone that you are using, there might be a slight variation, but generally that's how you are going to get this done.